Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are at Open Air Museum in Hakone, and of course I have Staecha with me.
What's up guys, what's good?
Okay, so you can follow her on her Instagram and her YouTube channels. I'm gonna leave those in the description box below.
Follow your girl, support your girl.
Okay,
it's good.
so we're here, we're resting, we're hot as hell.
Listen, it is hot.
Yes, but we want to take some pictures, but the statue over there, the statue over there is cleaning itself. So
And then a ton of people
came
here, so we can't get the good girl picture them. So we're going to have to wait or move on and then come back.
Yeah, we can probably do that.
Yeah.
Move on to
So
the
we don't
next one.
waste any time.
We need to. We got a map, so we need to check and see where we're gonna go. Where is worthy?
I know the place that I want to go. I want to go to that glass ceiling place.
Wait, but look at this. The man, the picture that I sent you. Okay, why they have that at the front? At the front of the thing though. Okay, yeah. So stay tuned. The Open Air Museum is in Hakone. Hakone is somewhere that's located in Kanagawa. So it's about 2 hours by train from my apartment. But today is very, very hot. Super hot. So this place, it has different statues and art pieces. So we're just here to explore. Hey guys. Wow.
Guys, it is hot in here.
Very, very hot.
Recommendation, do not come here with long sleeves like we did.
Yeah, long sleeve, no. But even so, even if you're in sleeveless, it's gonna be super
it's
humid.
like really hot.
Very, very hot.
Really
Yeah.
hot. Like I have oily skin, so my makeup is acting like a fool out here.
Taking pictures in this place.
Do you guys see how sweaty my makeup is? And I've touched it up for like a million times. Anyways guys, it is actually worth it, so I would recommend you coming here.
Yeah, what
Especially if you're
Staecha
an art
said.
person.
So-
on Sachone's channel.
Okay guys, so we finally made it to the top, yes, of this lookout area. I wore heels today because I was trying to look cute, you know, and I'm struggling, and I'm hungry, I'm hot, I'm tired. Yeah, but we made it to the top.
Guys, it's worth it, but if you're coming, wear comfortable clothing.
Yes.
Because
And come in the spring or in autumn,
Yes,
but not
because
in
it's
summer.
hot.
Yeah, very, very hot. Look at these stairs. That's how far down I have to go in heels. Anyways, look at this view. This beautiful view.
Look at this view.
Okay. So give me some wine, you know.
I can't whine in this. It's too
Really?
tight. It's slimmer.
Okay. So we stopped at this cafe place and I ordered an orange juice for 400 yen, and this is what they gave me. 400 yen for it, you know? This little thingy.
That's like $400 in Jamaica.
Look at it.
I paid 120 for that.
Might as well I should have bought water because this
you
is
want the blue
ridiculous. No, because I don't want water to drink.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
take 400 yen orange juice. That's a simple thing.
I'm tired. I'm tired. Walking my heels. Just because I wanted to look cute, I wore heels. I know I'm struggling. They have a lot of naked looking statues here. Like this one that I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know. What's down here?
I think it's the glass room. I think it is.
Alright. So this is the last place and then we're gonna go home, right?
So we're going to this last spot, hopefully, guys.
Please wear a mask. Every time Staecha tries to take a picture here, this is what happens.
Guys, they don't want me to win. They don't want to see me win.
We have just left the open air museum and we are heading home, heading to the train station. We're gonna get something to eat and call it a day because it's very hot and everything. So alright guys, so we'll see you next time. Bye.